Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the C.R. Lawrence M1653328. This is a solid aluminum bar. They call it a pull handle, but this is really a push bar. You could certainly mount it vertically. I never see it mounted that way, but this is a horizontal push bar is what this really would be considered. Solid aluminum bar, not tubular or hollow. This is going to feature, I'll need a screwdriver to get that bolt out, a mounting system where you have basically a 1/4-20 bolt that goes through the door. You've got a finish washer on the opposite side. This is specifically 33 inch, and 33 inch is a reference between the center line of one bolt to the center line of the other bolt. So the center line of this bolt, or the hole in the door, the center line, down to the center line over here is 33 inch. This bar is 1 inch diameter, so the OD of this bar, or the overall width, is going to be 34 inch. Okay. Now, this is going to have C.R. Lawrence does not list a projection, but let's give that to you here. You'll be at a 3-inch projection, okay? So that means your clearance is going to be 2 inch, okay? So from the face of the door to the inside is 2 inch, face of the door to the outside of the pull is 3 inch. If you're the push, if you're using it as a pole, do note that this is not handicap compliant because you don't have enough clearance between the face of the door and the inside of the pole. But again, this is a horizontal push bar that you're going to see all the time. This is available. This is in the clear anodized aluminum finish. This is also available in an oil rubbed bronze and then a brushed stainless steel. Okay, very typical common item. 33 inch. While certainly not the only center to center for doors, they can actually be anything. 33 inch, in my experience, is considered the most common center to center. So if you're replacing a push bar, it's a good bet that it's 33 inch, even though you absolutely must measure to be sure, because it could be anything. But 33 inch is very, very common. Now, the name C.R. Lawrence is synonymous with aluminum storefront hardware, whether it's locks or pivots or push or pull hardware. But that's only one small portion of what they do. And if that small portion of aluminum storefront hardware, that book that catalog is 1 inch thick for sure, if not thicker. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all the C.R. Lawrence products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, along with a link to all of the subsection catalogs of their full catalog. All of that compressed together is probably several thousand pages of information. C.R. Lawrence, the summary of what you need to know about them is if you have shower door enclosures, glass shower doors, all of the related hardware that would go with that, hinges, gaskets, pulls, towel bars, even the hardware that you would use to install the material, that's C.R. Lawrence. If you have, in my experience, we do a lot of shower door hardware from C.R. Lawrence. But as you can see from the manufacturer's page, they're going to get into the aluminum storefront hardware, architectural metals. They're going to get into specifically door and window hardware. They have a comprehensive offering of replacement pile weather stripping. So their footprint is actually quite large. They're going to get into door closers and exit devices under the Jackson brand name. So if you're looking for any of that associated hardware that seems like it is common to the titles of those catalogs, by all means refer to those books to review them. I would suggest that if you have more than an occasional need for that sort of hardware, you bookmark that page, only because it's a consolidated view on all of their catalogs that we make every effort to keep current. If you have any questions on the C.R. Lawrence M1653328 solid clear anodized aluminum push bar, could be used as a pull as well, for 1 3/4 doors. Obviously, you can get that down to a little thinner door as well. Those bolts are pretty pretty far in. I'd say maybe even 1 3/8, but 1 3/4 doors, or any other C.R. Lawrence product, please feel free to reach out to us.